Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the PUBG battery drain test between the Realme X2, Honor 9X, Poco X2 and Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this is the biggest PUBG battery drain test right now I'll be going to do, friends. And before starting the video, there's some good news, friends, and recently I crossed the 10,000 subscriber mark, and definitely I'll be keeping up doing the videos, friends, and I'll be reaching the target of next target is 25k subscribers. And definitely, friends, with your support I'm gonna reach that target. And do subscribe to my channel, friends, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this kind of videos possible in this kind of test. And if you want, even you check the links in description, friends, for the playlist which are created individually for all these smartphones, friends, so which makes easier for you all to go through the videos in the playlist. So as you can see, uploaded more than 100 videos on these four devices, friends, on a 9X and Redmi Note 8 Pro, as well as you can see a Realme X2 Pro and Honor 9X as well. So do check the links in description, friends, for the playlist. And definitely, friends, subscribe to my channel would be very much appreciated. And this kind of artwork, it takes a lot of time and effort, friends, trust me. And right now I completely charged all the phones, friends, and in this test I'll be using with the 50% of the brightness and with the Wi-Fi connected in all the models, all the mobile phones, friends, right now. And before starting the test, let me show you the battery capacity of the individual mobile phone, so that you can understand exactly what size of the batteries are. So Realme X2 and Honor 9X has a 4000 mAh of capacity, friends, both the smartphones, and whereas the Poco X2 and the Redmi Note 8 Pro has got the 4500 mAh of capacity. So this two on one side and this two on other side, so 4000 and 4500. And let's see, friends, which phone will last longer. And this test I'll be doing for only 2 hours, 1 hour and 1 hour. And definitely, friends, if you are interested, do comment below, friends. I'm ready to do from 100% to 0%, but right now the time is around like 10 o'clock, so that's why I did decide to do only 2 hour testing in this mobile phones, friends, before sleeping, because again I got a job to do go in the morning. So I don't want to spend all night making a battery drain from 100% to the 0%. So let's calculate for the only 2 hours mark, friends, and then we can decide which phone is the best. And throughout this test I'll be using the same settings in all the smartphones, friends. And let me connect the Wi-Fi and begin the test. So meanwhile, friends, do check the links in description, friends, to join in the Telegram group which I have created. So even you can join in the Telegram group, and you can download the images which I have captured from all the smartphones, so you can check real time how is the quality of the images and how is the video quality and everything. So definitely, friends, join in the Telegram group. Even you can get access to plenty of applications and a lot of useful videos, friends. And don't forget to join the Instagram group as well, so where even I'll be posting plenty of beautiful images which are captured from these smartphones. So now let me get started with the test, friends. So as you can see, friends, clearly I'm using the smooth and ultra settings in all the devices, Realme X2 or 9X and the Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Poco X2 device. So which is the main default settings which you get without using any GFX tool in all the four smartphones. And let me set brightness also to 50% in all the devices, friends, to brightness to 50%, and I have disabled the auto brightness as well. So as you can see, in all the mobile phones the brightness is set to the 50% and connected to the Wi-Fi network, not to the 4G network. So as you can see, friends, and let me begin the stopwatch right now by disconnecting the cables. So now you can see, friends, the test has been officially begin right now. So you can see the final look at the graphics settings what I'm using in all the smartphones. And let me start at same time. So again I'll be back exactly after 1 hour, friends, to show you which phone has a more battery and which has a less. So I will write down the count for every 1 hour, first 1 hour and second hour as well. So by looking at the battery size 4500 and 4500, you would expect those two phones to be last a little bit of more longer. But let's see, friends, in this test which phone will be the best. And before starting the test, let me also check the temperature as well. So the Honor 9X has 26 degrees, 28 on the Realme X2, 31 degrees on Redmi Note 8 Pro, and 28. So 31 and 26 friends on the Honor 9X. 26, as you can see. So the overall the coolest mobile phone is Honor 9X, and the Redmi Note 8 Pro has a little bit of a high temperature. So again, I'll be back exactly after 1 hour of playing this PUBG gameplay test, friends. And do subscribe to my channel, friends, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this kind of videos. So definitely a sub would be pretty much appreciated. So again, I'll be back after 1 hour. So as you can see, friends, finally we are able to reach the 1 hour, and we reached the 1 hour. And let me show you one by one which phone has the how much amount of battery, friends. So starting with the Honor 9X, and let me show you Honor 9X. And Honor 9X has a 90% battery left, friends. So there is only drain of 10 percentage. And the Realme X2 device, so which you can see there clearly 82 percentage. And next with the Redmi Note 8 Pro, so as you can see, friends, the battery is about 81 percentage clearly. And next with the Poco X2, 87 percentage. So as you can see, friends, 87 from the Poco X2, and Redmi Note 8 Pro 81 percentage. And if you're thinking why there is only limited amount of like little bit of battery got drop in my previous videos which I did with the smooth and extreme videos, friends, but in this video I'm doing only with the smooth and ultra settings. I think that is the reason why the battery is not draining at all in few of the smartphones. If you notice clearly, friends, the battery is not at all that much draining a lot, because I'm using smooth and ultra settings, not the smooth and extreme or HDR settings. So I'm just using the basic settings, friends. So that's why I'm unable to like not drain the battery is not draining a lot in both the phones. So again, I'll continue for the next 1 hour as well, and let's check what will change in this 1 hour. So as you can see, friends, finally we're getting close to the 2 hour mark in the PUBG battery and test, friends, all the four smartphones. And right now, let me show you exactly percentage, friends. I'll be stopping the test at the moment, and let me open the battery statistics of all the four smartphone, friends, so that you can understand how much is the battery life. So right now you can see your friends clearly the battery percentage how much it is. So mostly you can if you notice, friends, the Realme X2 61 percentage and the Redmi Note 8 Pro both are having the same kind of 61 percentages at same level, and Honor 9X has a 73, and even the Poco X2 has a 73 percentage, friends. Overall this is a battery drain test by using the smooth and ultra settings, not the extreme settings. So as you can see, friends, this is the overall statistics of the PUBG battery drain test, friends, between all the four smartphones. And definitely I'll be doing in-depth reviews as well, battery drain in the Realme 6 and 6 Pro device in the later in the upcoming days, friends. So subscribe to my channel, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.